Hello everyone, welcome you all to our online classes of English by St. Angel's Public School, Bagpat. Today we shall read chapter 10 of your English grammar book. Negative statements. Students, negative statements वो statements होते हैं, वो sentences होते हैं जिसमें not आता है. As you have seen before, in a negative statement, not or an apostrophe T comes after the auxiliary verb. नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स में नॉट या एन एपोस्ट्रोफ टी हमेशा ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के बाद आता है. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स होती हैं आपकी हेल्पिंग वर्ब, जैसे इज आर एम, हैज़ हैव, कैन, कुड, शैल, शुड. दीज ऑल आर योर हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम नॉट रीडिंग, आई एम प्लेइंग. हियर am is your auxiliary verb and we add not after the auxiliary verb. Next, he hasn't returned my umbrella. She can't type. You shouldn't go to bed late. They could not arrive on time. So students, all the sentences which have not come under the category of negative statements. Now you can write short form of some auxiliary verb. For example, you can write cannot like this can't. You can write will not like this won't. And you can write shall not like this shan't. So students, many of the verb have short forms. You can write short forms. Now we cannot say am, amt. The short form an apostrophe T cannot be used with am. So students, एम ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के बाद आप एन एपोस्ट्रोफ टी यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. वी से आई एम नॉट. हम आई के साथ एपोस्ट्रोफ लगाकर एम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. द वर्ब बी, एम, इज, वॉज, एट्सेट्रा comes before not or nt even when used as an ordinary verb. For example, I am not free. He wasn't happy. They were not at home. Now, if there is more than one auxiliary verb, we put not or an apostrophe T after the first one. अगर किसी सेंटेंस में आपकी एक से ज़्यादा ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है तो हम not और an apostrophe T फर्स्ट ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के बाद लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे मे नॉट हैव गॉन टू द स्टेशन. यू कैन सी हियर may and have. Two auxiliary verbs are there and we have write not after first one. Next, you won't be allowed to smoke. Come to the next page. In the simple present and simple past tense, we use do, does and did. For example, he sells bread. To make this negative, we will write he doesn't sell bread. Next, they sell bread. In negative, they don't sell bread. He sold the bread. This is in past tense. And for negative, we shall write he didn't sell the bread. So student, like this we write negative statements of simple present and simple past tense. Now note the negative forms of have, got and had. He has a scooter. In negative, it will become he doesn't have a scooter. Likewise, he has got a scooter. He hasn't got a scooter. They have got a car. They haven't got a car. They had a car. They didn't have a car. So student, this all was about negative statements. I hope you all understood it. Thank you.